Hello folks, good Monday morning to y'all. What we're going to be doing today is we're going to be making a super simple, easy dessert. It's going to be Oreo egg rolls. Now, you're probably thinking, how is that going to be good? But these egg rolls here, they ain't really, you can make it for any dessert or anything. It really has no taste. You can make them sweet. That's what we're going to be doing today. But what we're going to need is a half a cup of sweetened condensed milk. You needed mini Oreos, but we couldn't find mini Oreos. Regular Oreos would be fine. And 1 cup powdered sugar and 8 ounces of cream cheese. Can you see that? Alrighty, let's get started. Alright, we're gonna put in 1 cup powdered sugar. And then we got a half cup of sweetened condensed milk. Now folks, this would be a good Mother's Day dessert. It's quick and easy. That'll be coming up this weekend. But that'd be a good thing for you to fix for Mother's Day. Okay. Got all that out. Okay. Now, got our 8 ounces of cream cheese here. Alright, I don't know what happened to the next 2 audio clips, but what we're doing different from the recipe is what we're going to do. We're going to crush up the Oreos and we're going to put it in with the mix. I thought that'd be a little bit better than sprinkling it on. Do it how you want to, but this sort of gives it, you get more of the Oreo in with the cream cheese mixture. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to mix it up, and I'll show you how we crush the Oreos up. Pretty simple. And with Mother's Day coming up, this will be something super simple and super easy you can make. Take to them. But I'll let it get mixed up here, and we'll get back to the video. Now, I started out with 1 sleeve of the cookies. What we're going to do is we're just going to smash them up a little bit. You don't want it to be real fine. You want it to be a little chunky. So that's what we'll do. Some of them's already broken up from taking them out of the thing, so I'm already that far ahead. Alright, I've crushed them up. Now we're just going to pour it right in with the mixture. All of them out there, and I'll mix it up again. Alright, now that we got it all mixed up, I'll bring it over here and I'll let Dad do the putting it on the egg rolls.
Alrighty folks, Daniel's got me over here helping him out. Let's give it a go here. Spoon you a little bit of the good stuff in here. Let's see, fold this one up like this. Bring that one over. Bring that one over. Get you some water. Seal it down. Okay. Taking me just a minute here to remember how I did it. Alrighty, I think we got that one. Take it over here and drop it in the oil. Our oil's preheated to 350 degrees.
How many minutes you think, Dad?
I don't know, take a look at it here. Don't take them real long. Alright, that was about a minute, folks. Take it there. We'll put a little bit of powdered sugar, roll it around. Alrighty. We'll get a bunch made up here and we'll show you. And then we'll do a taste test for Dan.
Alrighty, we'll be back here in a few minutes.
Alrighty, let's take a look inside of this here. Oh my. There you go, Shug. Oh, making a mess.
Is it good?
Delicious.
Alright.
Yep, delicious.
Alrighty, folks, I hope y'all try this recipe here. I want to thank y'all for watching. If you haven't already, please like the video, subscribe, leave me a comment if you enjoyed the video. If you didn't, leave a comment too. And we'll see you Wednesday. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day.